Hi, teacher Joanna. My name is Diana Paula Clavijo Hurtado. Next I will do my appreciation pronunciation workshop. Okay, number one. Jacob Doris working. Jacob Doris working. The baby is crying. The baby is crying. Samuel is very bored. Samuel is very bored. It's 20 past 4. It's 20 past 4. He's playing soccer. He's playing soccer. They are singing a song. They are singing a song. The restaurant is between the hospital and the supermarket. The restaurant is between the hospital and the supermarket. I always eat chicken for dinner. I always eat chicken for dinner. My mom is talking on the phone. My mom is talking on the phone. My mother is a teacher. My mother is a teacher. My sister is happy. My sister is happy. My house is small. My house is small. My father is a dentist. My father is a dentist. My sister is tall. My sister is tall. My dog is very hungry. My dog is very hungry. Okay, teacher, finish. Thank you so much, teacher.